What is going on, fam? So today we're doing a quick 5-minute stretch with the main focus on our back and legs to make sure that we get our bodies moving and start the day the right way. So join me. For the first stretch, we're going to thread the needles. You're going to get on all fours, raise your right arm, and thread the needle to the left side, just like I'm doing. Hold that position like you're about to get in a child's pose. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to switch sides. Nice, that's it. So you're going to thread the needle 3 times. Hold that position like you're about to get in a child's pose. Feel that stretch in the shoulders and lats. Nice. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next stretch is going to be a low lunge. So you're going to get into a low lunge position and you're going to hold that stretch for 30 seconds. Nice. Good job. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in the low lunge position, you're going to raise the hand that's in line with the front foot. There you go. And you're going to pull your back foot toes with that hand. And you're going to try open up your chest 5, as much as possible. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to switch legs. So you're going to get into a low lunge position. And you're going to hold that stretch for 30 seconds. Nice. Good job. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the low lunge position, you're going to raise the hand that's in line with the front foot. There you go. And you're going to pull your back foot toes with that hand. And you're going to try open up your chest as much as possible. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next stretch, you're going to get in a squat position with your arms between your legs. And you're going to raise your arm to touch the sky from one side, twisting your torso. And you're going to do it on each side. 15 seconds on each side. Then you're going to switch. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to do a cat-cow stretch for 30 seconds. You're doing a great job. Yep, that's it. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to do a cobra stretch with your elbows on the mat. Hold that position for 30 seconds. Doing a great job. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going to do a breathing exercise. So you're going to take deep breaths, breathing out. Nice, controlled, deep breaths. And you can lay there for a couple of minutes and focus on your breath to help you feel centered.